Right here, guys, this is what you're really looking for. Don't waste your time on the big guys. They're too hard to transport. Can't get them home. This right here. Tonka loader. Hey, good morning, everybody. We are headed out to an estate sale that's starting at 8 o'clock this morning. We're kind of getting a late start to go to one of these because I think they're just going to be handing out tickets, and I'll be too late in line. I'm not going to stay around for too long waiting. I think better time spent just bopping around looking for all the sales instead of waiting in line for one particular sale. But the pictures of the sale look really good. We're gonna go check it out. We're gonna see what we get. If it's a big long line, we're out of there.
Those things are really smart dogs. Like, why, you know?
What do you buy, toys? Are you passing numbers out yet?
Yeah, they are. There was other sales down here. Filming your exploits?
What's that?
Are you filming your exploits? Documentary
Yeah.
for YouTube?
Yeah.
That's great.
Knock on the door.
Hi.
Trick or treat.
How many tickets?
Just one.
There you go.
Thank you very much. Gotta look in all the little nooks and crannies because people have already been in here.
There's a lot of jackets right there folded. We ran out of tables.
Oh, cool. I'll check those. I'll check those out. Thank you. Good.
There were some lures, and I think you took them. I didn't see them. Did you see them this morning? They were in the living room. Yeah, I might have taken them. I had them all boxed by themselves.
Oh, yeah, no.
I never saw pictures around when
Yeah, you probably took them. You took a few things we noticed during night.
Oh, the family, you mean?
Yeah. It's in the contract. Yeah. Yeah.
On a Saturday, buddy. That's not what you want on a Saturday. Oh, thank you for sharing. Thank you for sharing. Yeah. Oh, thank you. Yeah. then I said, I want to vacuum up my little area here. And I vacuumed everything. This amp, and they're gone. I was actually going to buy those. I put them in the box.
Did you put them in there?
Yeah.
That's all right. That's cool.
So yeah, I'm talking about, bro. I'm looking all over. Now I got to go buy an entire of the same amp. Yeah. So we're parallel as usual. We're right along with each other. Yeah. You know, go ahead and take them. I don't have enough cash.
You sure?
Yeah, that would be freaking awesome, man. That would be freaking awesome. Just let us know, man. Let me know. Thanks for sharing. Sharing our lives. Do you know anything about these things?
Just enough to be a little bit dangerous.
Yeah, no,
I don't. They,
all up, so
they're not.
don't get too crazy on them. Is what I was going to tell you.
They're not super. They're not super great.
No.
I'm just gonna bring them out here and see what the hell they even actually what I got here. You know, the big thing is gonna be what she sells them for. That's everything. Like if she. I don't want these. I'm not gonna get these either. You're right on those.
They're not big clothes. I thought maybe they were
Are you
$8 something like that.
Are you gonna take this rat shit box?
No, help yourself. I'm gonna head out.
Did you find some things that?
Nothing.
Nothing at all. But this is the kind of thing that amazes me sometimes when you, like in the pictures, you see the toys. You'd think there'd be people that would have, like from the first batch, that would take some of this stuff, but it looks like nobody's taken anything out of here. I don't know.
Back there and walk away.
Yeah, she's gonna see me coming. She's just gonna go, oh yeah. Totally. 100%. I'm not gonna get out of here unscathed. This one, is this worth anything? This is missing the ladder on the side. No side ladder. That's that one. That's not a special fire truck. Yeah, definitely the rats have had a good time in here. I could use these. I just lost mine. I probably threw them away.
Perfect.
Yep. It's a lot of Tonkas here. I don't think this one's worth anything. I might as well look it up while I'm right here. Okay, seen enough there. It's a bent steering wheel, but it's still cool. I'm gonna get it. Look at that. We might as well get these two. Let's just get these. I'll see you around. Excuse me. Thank you.
The whole case is for 100. Yeah, it was one thing. There's some more over here, though.
Okay. There's,
Oh, you got them all?
I got, yeah, just about, huh?
Probably make some.
Yeah.
Problem is the shipping.
Yeah. Yeah, my shipping is easy.
So much.
All right.
You all set?
I think so.
Okay, you don't want these three there?
No, I mean, I think I've overdone myself.
Overdone yourself? Okay, so for the grouping you have here, because this isn't a for everything you have here, I do 45.
Done.
Yeah, two.
Okay.
Had a pretty good time garage sailing today. Didn't have a lot of sales actually because of COVID. People are kind of staying indoors, which is good, smart. I think I was pretty safe, had a mask on, stayed away from people as much as I probably could. But ran into some people out there and really appreciated talking to them about their garage sale experiences and what they buy, sharing some stories about things that have some value. So that's always cool. It's a really cool community out there, and I appreciate it a lot. We did pick up that one truck haul. Lots of Tonka toys, nice vintage Tonkas. I haven't really got a chance to look all those up yet at this point, but I will shortly, and you'll be there with me when we do it. Oh. All right, well, this is the great Tonka haul today. Every one of these is a pretty decent truck, and it's good to see them all hard at work, hauling lots of cash around. I can't tell exactly what these are going to go for at this point, but anywhere from, I would say, 40 bucks up to 100 bucks. I haven't checked out that steamroller. I think that one right there, I think that one's probably a $95 once we clean it all up. We'll probably use that magic eraser stuff that I've talked about in the past. These will look really nice once they're all done, and let these guys get back to work and do their building. All right, it's time for the great tractor dump truck wash. This is all part of it. You gotta buy these things. Sometimes they're totally dirty. Rat crap all over them. You never know what's on them. Got to clean it before you sell it. So right now we're going to have a truck wash. We're going to take care of all this stuff. We're going to spray them off, scrub them with some soapy water, and then we'll take some of this magic eraser and use that on them as well. So let's see what we can do, make them look good, and I will show you shiny trucks in just a moment. This is definitely not the fun part. Posting things, cleaning things, not the fun part. Finding things is the fun part. But these are gonna look really nice when they're done. So here we are with this one. This is the 24-hour Tonka wrecker truck towing service, I guess. And this is not unlike washing your own car. Not that fun. We're going to use some soapy water and really just do the same thing we would do in your car. And just make it look as good as we can make it look. So we'll use this, and just to, you're definitely not going to watch me do this whole thing, because this is not, it's not going to be that quick. But this is that magic eraser that I use on lots of things: baseball bats, trucks, toys, so many things because it's really non-abrasive, and you can get these at your Home Depots and the store and stuff like that. But it does a really good job. Let me just show you really quick what happens, and then I'm going to keep on going with the cleaning portion of what I'm doing. So let's say just take this little section right here, without worrying about ruining the paint. You can see that this is actually coming off a little bit. It's just taking the finest layer of this off, and you don't have to worry about it damaging the toy itself and ruining any of the value. So I would go over this whole toy, and again, we're not going to get rid of all these scratches on here. It's impossible. It's a vintage toy, and it's going to look vintage when we're done, but it's going to look better than it does right now. And you know, by the way, this toy here is probably a $75. I'm guessing it's probably a $75 truck. I'm guessing. We'll see what it goes for. Off I go. Continue cleaning. Okay, so the great car wash is done and everything's cleaned up. Let's take a look and see how they came out. Here they are. And that's a beautiful truck. It's got all the pieces. It's got all these hooks and everything. It's beautiful. Another Tonka. There's a scraper. There's my shadow. Hello, everybody. Brand new, right off the showroom. And there you go. This is the one that was super, nope, this one was. This was the one that was all really super oxidized right here. And looks pretty good at this point. Anyway, that's the haul. I think that these will probably sell for in the range of $200 to $250 once I get these all sold. If I get lucky, maybe even more. But that's it for now. Buy these toy trucks. They're worth finding. They're worth cleaning. Yeah, I don't know. I think I'm looking for something that's probably a little smaller. This one's a nice one. This is nice. This is going to do exactly what I needed to do, except I don't think I'm going to be able to transport this. It's still just a little bit big. Gotta have something. Do you have anything just a little bit smaller? Yeah, yes. That's the one I need. That's the one.